Good day, everyone! Bago natin simulan ang lesson na ito tungkol sa classical period, let us have a quick review of the music from the previous periods we discussed. First is the medieval period. Music was mostly sacred. Ito yung mga music na religious na ginagamit natin sa simbahan, and we learned about Gregorian chant. Next is the Renaissance period, where music became more expressive with polyphony and madrigals. Lastly, the Baroque period of music, where we saw the rise of composers like Bach and Handel, where music was full of ornamentation, elaboration, and contrasts. Now, let us move to the new chapter of music history, which is the classical period of music. Today, we will explore the classical period in music, which lasted from 1750 to 1820. This was the time when music became clearer, simpler, and easy to understand, compared to the music of the Baroque period, where the style is highly decorated, elaborated, and ornamented. The classical period is sometimes called the Age of Reason or Age of Enlightenment. It is the era that came between the Baroque period and the Romantic period. Here, people focus more on balance, order, and simplicity, not just in music but also in arts and ideas. Kaya nga po ito tinawag na Age of Enlightenment dahil people valued knowledge and reason. Music during the classical period was also influenced by history. It was dominated by aristocracy, wherein the rich nobles or the rich persons were the main patrons. They are the main supporters of the musicians and the artists, which means the wealthy people or yung mga mayayaman na tao would pay the composers to write music for them. So during this period, major events also happened, such as the French Revolution, the Napoleonic Wars, and even the American Revolution in 1776. These events also influenced how music was written and performed during the classical era. The word classical came from the style of an ancient Greek and Roman art and literature. Classical music is described as formal and elegant, which emphasize on simplicity, balance, and dignity. So compared to the dramatic Baroque music, classical music is calmer, clearer, and more refined. During this period, the general texture of music was homophonic, meaning there is only one clear melody accompanied by a musical instrument. Another important feature of the classical period of music was the use of dynamics, wherein there will be a shift from loud and soft music. Unlike the Baroque music na halos walang pagbabago sa volume, classical music clearly showed loud and soft dynamics. Composers use crescendo or the gradually getting louder and diminuendo wherein the music gradually gets softer to add more expression. Finally, another popular style used during this period was the Alberti bass. Pakisabi nga po, Alberti bass, in which this is a broken chord accompaniment na parang rolling pattern sa piano or instruments that gives the music a flowing and steady sound. This Alberti bass technique became very common in many classical music pieces. Let us watch and listen to the short example of Alberti bass. Okay, that is the Alberti base. Wherein, kung maaalala po natin doon sa diniscuss natin sa first quarter, we use the triad or the first, third, and fifth of the chord kung saan ito po yung nagpapatong-patong. Vertically arranged music to create harmony. Ito po iyon. And now, dito po sa classical period of music, Alberti-based, meaning those harmonies or those notes, the first, the third, and the fifth is also used, but then it was broken. It created arpeggio chords. Pinaghiwa-hiwalay sila, but still, it remains or this remains the three musical notes that was get to create harmony. Pinaghiwa-hiwalay lang po sila. Okay? In your notebooks, answer this activity number 1. Write true if the statement is correct and false if it is incorrect. Write your answers in capital letters, no erasures. Number 1. Crescendo means gradually getting softer. Number 2. The French Revolution happened during the classical period. Number 3. Classical music focused on simplicity, balance, and dignity. Number 4. In the classical period, music was full of heavy ornamentation. And last, number 5. Alberti bass is a style of accompaniment that uses broken chords. Great! That activity will be checked by your teacher by the time that I collect your notebook.